Thokozani Makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yebo, umkhulu umoya insizwa kaNkosi uDlamini wekunene sidlubula dlize sisakonobamba. Yena washiya libombo ngokuhlehletela. Today sikhuluma ngenduku. But before I get into it, I'd like to briefly talk about it. Ngithola abantu nje, various people coming endumbeni bathi hhayi Khehla lo mzala zikhona izinto osenzele zona kodwa asikazi sikubone ukhuluma ngazo e-T_V, asikaze sikubone ukhuluma ngazo kakhulu ku-social media. Now I decided that no, this is the time I think ukuthi-ke should I embrace all this so that ukuthi-ke ibe out there so that people can learn, so that people can be upgraded in each and every single thing lebazama ukuyenza empilweni, right? So now I've spoken about imithi, different kinds of imithi esebenziswayo, different kinds of izinto ezenziwayo, like your basics. Angithi your basics imithi ukuthi futhi-ke ungayithola nakuma-chemist and all that. Now kunezinto ey'julile endumbeni ukuthi uma uyizele sihlala phansi sayixoxa-ke mina nawe sibonisane ukuthi-ke how do we upgrade situation yakho, how do we improve your life, how do we light up i-tunnel lemnyama empilweni yakho, how do we light up your future, how do we enhance ibhizinisi yakho, how do you enhance your life, how do you enhance everything nje ozama ukuyenza empilweni yakho, uyabona? Ngoba khona abantu vele abathinta izinto zibe mnyama wezi, khona abantu abathinta izinto ukuthi zikhanye kodwa zingafinyeleli kuleso sigaba lesi basifuna ukuthi sifinyelele ngakhona. Now zikhona izinto ey'julile ekumele ukuthi ngempela nje uthi uhlala phansi uzindumbeni ziyaxoxwa bese-ke manje ziyasetshenzwa bese izinto zakho ziyavuleka. Khona abantu abazile abafuna imisebenzi bayithola imisebenzi, khona abantu abazile abafuna ukukhanyisela imisebenzi amabhizinisi wabo, izinto zabo zize zivuleke zifike kule zinga lezi bafuna ukuthi zifike ngakhona. Sikhuluma ngezinto esizaziyo, sikhuluma ngezinto esinazo, sikhuluma ngezinto ezisebenzayo ngenye indlela exakile ngoba nathi sike sayisebenzisa kwabona nempumelelo, kwaba nokukhanya. Ngoba namuhla sihamba ngey'moto, namuhla sakha izinto njalo njalo. So now angeke uye esangomeni ufike ufuna into ethize yena anganayo. You understand? So now we've built houses, we bought cars, we did a lot of things. You understand? So now in life you need to improve ngendlela ey'ningi ey'hlukahlukene. Right? You need to upgrade your life, you need to enhance, you need to find light in each and every dimension, in each and every element that you're trying to do, right? So now kuyo yonke into oyenzayo kwamele manje uthinte la kumele kuthinteke khona, kwamele nawe uzibooste ngoba namadlozi afuna ukubhustwa as nawe umuntu on a daily basis uyadla, on a daily basis uyas-upgrade-a ngenye indlela exakile, angithi ngithola. So ngokusho njalo-ke zikhona izinto ezikwazi ukuthi ziku-enhance ngenye indlela yokuthi manje ukwazi ukuthi into zakho zivuleke, into zakho yiphakame ziye phezulu. Zikhona induku ekumele ukuthi uzisebenzise ukuthi uphakame esimweni sakho sokuphila. Zikhona induku ekumele ukuthi uyisebenzise ukuthi uphakame emabhizinisini wakho, right? Now ngokusho njalo-ke today ngiphethe ibhodlela. Ibhodlela leli angikaze ngikhulume ngalo social media, ngike ngayiphosta kanye kodwa angikaze ngikhulume ngalo ngokujula kwakhona ukuthi lenzani and what's the purpose of it, right? Angikaze ngikhulume nangalo ku-T_V and stuff, right? So now today I've decided to talk about it. La kunenduku ehlukahlukene, kunamafutha angeke ngiwachaze ngokujula ngoba ajule kakhulu. So now kwamele-ke manje-ke ukwazi ukuthi uyisebenzisa kanjani and alihambi lodwa, there's other elements abakhaphi wazo, yabona? Abakhaphi igama lakhona indlela zimhlophe. So now wena nje into ekumele ukuthi uyenze is that-ke uma uzolilandela leli bhodlela, you make sure ukuthi into esiyenza ukuthi senzani, siyakugeza cala, sokukhipha iy'lwane, sokukhipha iy'chithi, sokukhipha iy'qalekisi, ukuze ukuthi uma uzokwazi ukuthi uyisebenzise yonke into yakho oyenzayo kwamele ibonakale, yonke into yakho oyenzayo kwamele-ke ithinteke. Ungayisebenzisi izinduku usebumnyameni, ungasebenzisi izinduku uney'chithi, uney'xoxo, ney'qalekisi, right? Le is for small businesses, abantu abavula amabhizinisi, ama-take shop and all that. So now ziya ngokuhlukana kwazo ukuthi wena ufuna into enjani. Abantu abafuna ama-promotions, uyalithola leli bhodlela. abantu abafuna ukuphakanyiswa uyawuthola le bhodlela. So now kunamafutha ajulile angena ngala okwazi ukuthi uwakhulumise, okwazi ukuthi uma uyithinta uyikhulumise ithinte la kumele ithinte khona, and uma uyikhulumisa uba specific on what you want, uba direct on what you want, so that ikwazi ukuthi iye khona ngqo la ufuna khona. Let's say for instance you wanna be a CEO, let's say for instance you wanna be like nje ufuna ukuphakama nje emsebenzini wakho. Leli bhodlela uyakwazi ukuthi usebenzise zokufaka inhlanga zakhona, zokufaka nje khona into amaloshini akhona ahamba eceleni, so sokufaka nje izinto zakhona iy'nhlanga zakhona emzimbeni wakho ukuthi ihlale kuwe egazini, sokufaka iy'nhlanga zakhona ukuthi manje uphakame. Khona nje izinduku esokufaka zona emzimbeni ukuthi i-connect nawe ukuthi uma ikhulumisa ikwazi ukuthi iyenze lento ekufuze ukuthi iyayenzakala, right? So now iyakwazi ukuthi idonse imali, iyakwazi ukuthi i-attract-e inhlanhla, iyakwazi ukuthi idonse izinto ezinhle, iyakwazi ukuthi idonse ngisho nanoma bathi i-relationship yakho yantengantenga, iyakwazi ukuthi ibuse ngisho nomuntu wakho. Ngithole into engishoyo. So le ibhodlela lenhlanhla lesa bathi indlela zimhlophe. Whatever le uyifunayo iyakwazi ukuthi uyithole, whatever le ufuna ukuphakanyiswa ngakhona iyakwazi ukuthi iyenze. Kuye ngokuthi wena uyikhulumisa kanjani na, kodwa ibhodlela lokuphakamisa, ibhodlela lenhlanhla, ibhodlela lokubuyisa inhlanhla yakho nokuphakamisa inhlanhla yamadlozi wakho. So now ihamba ngisho namafutha nje ajule kakhulu siwafaka ngala, ukuze uma siwafaka kuwena enhlangeni akusukuthwala, ayifuni igazi, ayifuni lutho, ifuna nje into eklini nje eqondile ukuthi wena uma uyikhulumisa ishaye la kumele ishaye khona, ukuze ukuthi uphakame ubonakale ezweni, uthi uma uthinta imali yokuthanda, uthi uma uthinta izinto zakho zibonakale, uthi uma uthinta into zakho ziphakame. And ifuna nje umuntu o-serious oyifuna ukuthi manje ufuna ukuphakama ngey'ndlela ey'ningi ey'hlukahlukene, ngoba if ufuna into empilweni kwamele uphakame uyisebenzele, angeke uvele uthandaze uphahle nje bese ziyasondela. Khona into kumele uyithinte njengala mabhodlela ukuthi wazi izinto zakho zithinteke zibonakale ezweni. So le indlela zimhlophe, uma uyifuna uzothola ku-071 28 31 481. Uzoza endumbeni sixoxe, sikhulumisane, sikulungisele into zakho zikhanye zibonakale, nawe ukwazi ukuthi uphakame ezweni, nawe ukwazi ukuthi ube nemali zakho, nawe ukwazi ukuthi wondle iy'ngane zakho nefemili yakho, ungabulawa indlala, izinto y'khona emhlabeni. Thokozani.